Camping fitness games for family bonding. Top 5. Camping provides the perfect setting to get active, bond with loved ones, and experience the wonders of nature. Here are 5 family-friendly camping fitness games that will get your hearts pumping and create unforgettable memories. 1. Nature Scavenger Hunt. Unleash your inner explorer with a scavenger hunt filled with physical challenges. Hike through nature trails and perform exercises to reveal hidden clues. 2. Nature Olympics. Engage in fun and competitive events inspired by the natural world. Challenge each other in tree climbing, rock skipping, pinecone bowling, and more. 3. Camping Fitness Challenge. Set up an outdoor fitness circuit with different stations for push-ups, sit-ups, squats, jumping jacks, and stretches. Race against each other to complete the circuit as quickly as possible. 4. Nature Trail Challenge. Incorporate fitness challenges into your hiking adventure. At each checkpoint, perform exercises related to the environment, like mountain climbers for climbing hills. 5. Camping, yoga, and meditation. Combine relaxation with physical activity in a tranquil yoga session. Explore stretches, breathing techniques, and mindfulness exercises to calm and connect with nature. Embark on a fitness adventure that will create lasting memories and strengthen family bonds. So, pack your gear, grab your loved ones, and get ready for a fitness adventure that's both challenging and fun. Thank you for watching.